Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Thursday and you're all having a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family or your loved ones or whomever. Yeah, I had a little time before I had to leave, so I'm like, we need a stitch with me today, right? So I'm working on this colorful coastal town that I got from BiggestCraft, and we're still working up here in this beautiful sky, and I'm using 333. Geez, lots of information. Yep, and now I'm going to turn it upside down because it's just easier. So, you got that dinner all ready yet? No. It's, about 9 o'clock in the morning here. It was -3 this morning. It was a little nippy when I left last night. It was about, 7 or 8 degrees. Yeah. But the car sat out in the sun. I had to get it all unchipped before I went to work yesterday. Yeah. And it got in the 30s, maybe. No wind, but yeah. It was just kind of cold all day, and then when that sun went down, that temperature just plummeted. So, oh my goodness gracious me, oh my. So I got my Jell-O made last night. Got that all ready. And I had quesadillas for dinner because it was easy. And I think I went to bed about 12:30. Yeah, I was pretty exhausted. Took a hot shower and passed right out. So, slept like a log. So, woke up this morning this morning. Holy cow. Days. And yeah, it was freezing in here, so I cranked up all the heaters and everything was well and good now. So, but yeah, so looking forward to this. And my daughter said they're gonna pick me up. I get to ride in style to my son's house. They have a limo. I have no idea how many people it would fit, but yeah, my son-in-law, he fixes cars, so he got a really good deal on this, and so we'll see. I asked her if there was going to be champagne and caviar served since we were getting picked up by a limo. She said she was afraid that wasn't going to happen, so because she really doesn't like fish. And caviar and champagne, yeah, no. So, just a little disappointed on the services. Just kidding. I don't know that I actually like caviar anyway. So, and champagne would probably give me a headache, so we're good. Yeah, I'm just no good in the high life here. So, but gonna have a little snack before we go because we're not gonna eat until about 3 o'clock this afternoon. So that's a time away. So yeah, that's my big day plans. I'm thrilled sick I don't have to cook that turkey. So we'll just let the kids carry on, It's their turn. Trying to find the hole there. Get it. So, before I forget, in case this is a shorter video than I think it's going to be, I did get 2 sets of pictures from 2 different viewers. I'm sorry, Margaret, this is the first time I've had to get this on. I spaced it all off completely on the last stitch with me, so I do apologize, but we got it up now. And all is good. Thank you, ladies. They are just lovely, lovely things. Just gorgeous. I'm glad that somebody's finishing something or working on something else. Yeah, it's awesome. I don't know what we're making here, but so if anybody else has any pictures of anything they're working on currently or anything you've finished, doesn't have to be cross-stitch, diamond painting, whatever craft that you're into. I knew that would happen. Oh, come on. I've been working on 14 count. I worked on the peacock yesterday for a little bit. Didn't make much progress, but I worked on it. I don't know if we're gonna make this or not. But that was all that I worked on yesterday. Oh, yay, we made it. It wasn't a waste. I have no idea what time we'll get back tonight. I still got my Mexican stew. I don't know what else to call it. It's just a mishmash. Oh, sorry, I gotta get rid of my needle over there. I left the thing over there. I'm gonna go work over here on this bigger part. But this seems real easy to work on, and I'm happy about that. I didn't want to start that Christmas one that I got this morning from VIP, just because it's confettied, and I'm just not in the Christmas mood. Let's just get through Thanksgiving, and then maybe next week we'll be into Christmas stuff. Fun times. I'll just put it with the others, because I told you I had a bunch of Christmas ones saved up to start in December. And of course I'll have to go rummaging for the stuff from last year that I started. So, fun times. I'm sorry I couldn't find anything else that was November-ish, or, like I said, I don't know, Thanksgiving-ish things, per se. And yes, I'm drinking green tea today, because it was cold. I don't know if I'll take something to stitch with me on the trip or not. It takes about 45 minutes to get there, so it's not a great amount of distance. And the roads last night, you know, when I left, they were dry, so no problem there. I mean, I'm sure there's patches, but because the way we have to go there, there's some little canyon parts, you know, where the sun doesn't shine per se, so yeah. So you have a little bit there, but other than that, the roads were totally fine. And there's not supposed to be any kind of snow or precipitation today, but we'll see. I don't know about Leadville. So, and I have no idea how much snow they've gotten, you know, when we got our 12 inches. I don't know how much they got. So, or if they're expecting any. So, we'll just have to wait and see. And I opened this up, and this thread was just sitting there, so I'm like, yeah, we'll use this. Because I do like that purple. Isn't it pretty? Love it. I'm sure that when I get home, I won't need to hardly eat a thing, because we'll be stuffed from dinner. But I think they're having the usual thing. Turkey, dressing, yams. They all like that. No green bean casserole. That's why I made it this weekend. That green bean casserole seems to go better with ham than turkey for my benefit, but yeah. I don't know how I screwed that up. I mean, it's a simple recipe. I don't know if I got too much liquid in the small amount of pan, but it didn't thicken up. I have no idea. Not a clue of what I did or didn't do. Well, a couple of years ago, I was at my son's house, and I was trying to teach my daughter-in-law how to make it, and oh, it's easy, we don't need a recipe. Yeah, I put that sucker together, you know, showed her how to put it together, and I omitted the milk. So yeah, we had one extreme to the other this year. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a simple recipe that Grandma can't even follow. Holy cow. Oops. So, yep. Oops. Had my computer up, I guess. Well, if I can get it to get there. All right. Well, we finished that little circle. I don't know what those colors are going to be. Looks a little confetti right in there. All right, guys. Let me pull that back and turn it around. Sorry, it's all whoppy jawed. Well, thank you for watching today, and thank you, ladies, for sending your beautiful pictures. And anybody else, my email is in the description box below. Send it that way, and I will get it, and I'll get it up as soon as I possibly can. Thank you for watching today. I hope you all have a lovely day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.